Hi guys, it's Stock Trader Max here and welcome to another video where today we're going to be talking about the stock market as well as the Bitcoin market on this very important trading session due to the fact it is the US election day. But before we get into today's video, just a quick one before we get started. Anyone who's interested in joining my Signal team, I have now reached 100 members. So thank you very much to everyone who's joined so far. But if you would like to join and you're sat at home thinking, you know what, I've been thinking about doing it for some time, let's just do it. Today is the day. $29, and that'll give you access to my Telegram group chat where I share all my trades that I take on my own personal trading account. It also give you access to the the Investors Lounge. This is a page on my website where I basically post daily analysis videos with regards to the current positions that we have open, and you'll also get access to the Educational Hub, which basically teaches you how I trade from a day-to-day basis with all my setups, the indicators I use, etc. So with that being said, dailymarketmovements.com if you wish to sign up. But let's get started here with the S&P 500 trading in the green, episode slightly in the futures market, up 0.13%. Still have another 2 hours and 20 minutes until the US market's open, so still early days here. I was looking at some historical stats today on how the market performs on election day, and it ends in the green 81% of the time, with the average gain being around 0.72%. So if history was to repeat itself from today's trading session, that takes you up to roughly 5,760. Now, it's very likely we don't get the result today. Of course, it's going to take days for them to probably have an answer for us all. Unfortunately, at least 48 hours, in my own humble opinion, before we know anything with any certainty. But obviously, at the moment, the polls have it very, very tight. The betting markets have a Trump victory with a 63% chance of winning versus Harris. That's 38. So I do personally still believe Trump's going to win. I think the polls have got it wrong here, saying that Harris has got, I think, 48% of the votes and Trump's only got 47%. From what I'm reading online, from the people that I'm speaking to from the US, I think like 7 in 10 people are pro-Trump. So it'd be very interesting to see how the next couple of days play out. But what's important to understand as well, guys, is that even if Harris did win, as long as there's a split house, that means either party can do what they've said that they will in their policy. So, for example, with Harris raising capital gains tax and all that, she won't be able to do it if there's a split house. So the markets could potentially still rally if Harris even did win. But obviously a Trump win would be very bullish, as he will take down regulation, cut down taxes. So yeah, really, real nice setup if Trump was to go ahead and win. Moving over to Nasdaq 100, very similar to the S&P 500. We're trading in the green, ever so slightly up 0.23%. Finding support at 50-day EMA. Same for the S&P 500. We found support at 50-day EMA. But ultimately, I think this market goes up higher, up towards 21,600. I think we get there very, very soon. Bitcoin, on the other hand, found support at the blue line, which was the previous area of resistance in this channel that we were trading in since March 14th, when we peaked at an all-time high of 73,700. And we found support exactly where we needed to. We're now trading nicely in the green, and I expect this to continue. I think the direction for Bitcoin is higher. This is where we're going. Trump win, Harris win. I think Trump win obviously would be better, but I think even if Harris was to win, I still see Bitcoin trading higher. Trump was to win, I think you could see 100K Bitcoin by year end. I really do. So, lots of proxies that will benefit from that move, as well as companies like MicroStrategy, for example. I myself and my Signal team hold positions like that. We don't own any traditional stocks at this moment in time. We only hold Bitcoin and Bitcoin proxies. So if you would like to benefit from those trades and get involved with us, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com.